Hello everyone. So today's disease is Shwas Vyadhi. Shwas Vyadhi is a disease in which there is a difficulty in breathing due to the obstruction of the Pranvaha Strotas, mainly due to the Kapha and Vata dominance. So firstly we will discuss about the Nidan or causes of Shwas Vyadhi. So first is exposure to dust, smoke, cold air, excessive exercise करना, excessive cold, heavy and cough increasing food लेना, वेग अवरोध करने मतलब जो natural urges है उनको obstruct करना, previous respiratory disease अगर कास होके गया है पहले तो या फिर weak digestion होंगी तो these are all the निदान of श्वास व्याधि. Now we will discuss about the संप्राप्ति और the pathogenesis of श्वास व्याधि. So सबसे पहले होता है हेतु सेवन के वजह से वात एंड कफ प्रकोप हो जाता है. Then cough leads to स्त्रोतोरोध means obstruction in the स्त्रोतास. Then वात moves in the reverse direction means वात की प्रतिलोम गति हो जाती है. That leads to the obstruction in the प्राणवाह स्त्रोतास and that's why there is श्वास व्याधि means difficulty in breathing. So what are the signs and symptoms and lakshan of Shwas Vyadhi? So firstly, there is chest tightness, wheezing sound, difficulty in breathing, then rapid or labored respiration, anxiety, restlessness. But there is a relief in sitting posture, especially in Tamak Shwas. Now we'll discuss about the types of Shwas Vyadhi. So there are 5 types of Shwas Vyadhi. Firstly, Mahashwas, Urdhva Shwas, Chinna Shwas, Tamak Shwas and the Kshudra Shwas. In all these 5 types, Tamak Shwas is the most important and mostly इसका SQ आता है exam में. First is Mahashwas, which is very severe and life-threatening. Second is Urdhva Shwas, means upward breathing difficulty. Then third is Chinna Shwas, which means interrupted respiration. Then fourth is Tamak Shwas, which is very chronic and most commonest type. Then fifth is the Shudra Shwas, which is mild and temporary. For more exam-oriented points, read the caption below. Thank you so much.